Alright, so today I'm going to be doing my passenger side motor mount on the Element. So let me get some tools ready and I will get that part switched out hopefully in less than 30 minutes. Seemed pretty simple when I looked at some YouTube video. Got my toolbox here. Alright, so let's have a look. It's like 17, 17, 17, and then 3 14s down there. All right, let me get to that. Gotta get my jack. Don't forget my 2x4 and my part. So basically I have to support the engine from the bottom, so I'm gonna need this 2x4 here. And once this engine is supported, I could freely move the 17s off the top, and then once that part comes off, the rest of the 14s that's on the bottom. Also, let's take a look at this Element. It's been sitting here for a while, haven't been using it as much after the camping trip. I do need to do some repairs. There seem to be some clunking here and there, so this was replaced not long ago. Didn't put that many miles, but this boot's already ripped. I did the front motor mount, the rear motor mount, which is not long ago, so I have no idea where the noise is coming from. But for sure I do need to get new shocks, check these out. And I'm thinking about doing the Bilstein, Billy Stein, those really cool yellow ones off the CRVs. And maybe doing the rears as well, but hopefully, I'm not sure if this racket pinion is also making noise. I hope not. The boots though on the axle or somewhere is leaking, which is problems that I do not want to fix, but I have to. So anyways, let's get back to the engine mount. Sip of my latte. So as you can see, I do have my Aerogenics 2-inch lift spacer on both sides. This is my switch panel for my lights. Yeah, the dirty engine bay here. Do want to get a nice valve cover here, maybe like a blue one to offset it. All right, so let's get back to this. 3 bolts. Okay, get my 17 out, maybe with extension, and then support the bottom of the engine. Alright, I got my 17 here. I hope to get this done very quickly, so there's my 14 here. Wait a minute, it's not a 17. Number 1. Number 2. It looks like it was swapped to a Aerogenics 19. Okay, so that's the 19. I believe that was swapped out when I did my my subframe spacer. Okay, that's loose. Just gonna do it with the power tool. Safety. Motor's dropping, so let me raise the engine. Better support. Okay, let's see. This is off. 19. Spacers. So if we're going to remove that, It's already loose. There's a size 8 ground. The ground is loose. Okay, there's a washer right under there. Okay, this is coming right up. Right, just like that. One, looks like 2 inch or 1.5 inches. That's coming off. Has it been hit before? Seems pretty good. Oh, did it get rubbed? I have no idea. Okay, that's coming off. So now to those 3 14-inch. Get that mount out of there. Alright. So that goes there, and there's that, which I didn't need to take out anyways. Okay. Should have put the bigger battery on this thing. Struggling with that stupid 14-inch. Drive around borrowing tools. Okay. Number 1. This corner out. This one I gotta go through these brake lines. Scratching up my body there. Number 2, 3. Well, this is a simple job. You have some tools with you. Fair enough. This one here. Get to this bolt here. Force my way in. What you get angle? So I'm gonna use my worker bar. Move this over to this side. There we go. So smack this in there. There we go. Just a simple motor mount. Feels like it's tight. It's holding on to it. Alright, boring stuff. I'm gonna stop the video for a minute. Alright, so you can see I have the. Well, this is not made in China anymore. It's made in Cambodia. It has a lifetime warranty. 1, 2, and 3. And the motor mount comes out. So I can compare the two. There we go. It's pretty beat up looking. Whoa. What happened to the looks like it's definitely out. I don't remember changing this out. This might be factory from Honda. Swapping this Cambodian motor mount. It's got lifetime warranty, so I know that it ain't gonna last long, but you know what? Here's what it is. Whoa. Check this out. I guess it's just the way they made. Speed that up, I'll throw that back in. Okay, this is coming out. Some trash. Hi, buddy. that tiny little 8 mil, 8 or 10. Okay, so this is all done. Like I said, 17, 19, 19. That's the bolt that came with the brand new mount. This is the Rogenix 19. And on the bottom, there's 3, 14. 1, 2, and 3. You might need some extension, and then make sure you get a size 10 for this. This is the ground for something, which mine was either loose or not 100% tight. So I'm gonna see if this motor mount helped me with anything, since this thing's been clunking and making noise. But for sure, I know that mount that I had was super old. All right, I'm gonna check the movement of the motor with the new mount. Okay, the new mount is in. I'm gonna see if I hear anything suspicious, which I think I do. It's not the mount. I think it's the lower control arm. Man. So there's a noise when I pretty much step on the accelerator more than 50%. Yeah, I really think there's something there. Unless the rear mount that I got was shitty and it's already gone, or the front one. Something's going on. Yeah, I heard that right there. Almost feels like something's rubbing, like a pulley or something, or an axle. So, man, I might need expert help. Element Lifestyle, Miguel, my man, or Joseph, get them to take a look. I'm really tired. Never have time to work on the car anymore. Right, dead stop. Is it the axle? I'm not sure. It's coming on the left side. Really gotta raise the suspension to see. Okay, so when I make a U-turn, there's a plasticky clunk. Doesn't sound metal to metal, but I believe that's the bushing on the lower control arm, which I probably changed many years ago. Maybe it's time to upgrade to Element 44's spherical ball joints lower control arm. Anyways, that concludes the video. That was the installation for the passenger motor mount, which is just the engine mount, because I think the driver's side is transmission. Hopefully that was easy for you to watch. I got step by step. It's not very difficult. You gotta have your 17, 19s, and 14 and 10. Power tools will help, and make sure you have your ratchets and your breaker bar. Anyways, thanks for watching. subscribe and comment what you think the problem is, and if you have the same issue on your Honda Element. All right, thanks for watching.